Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be transforming myself for the first time ever into a drag queen. I always wanted to get a little splash into drag and I thought, why not document the first time ever? It's either gonna go really good or really bad. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. And if you haven't already, hit that bell notification button to be notified every Thursday and Sunday that I upload. Let's get started. So I'm turning myself into drag today. I've never done this before. I'm super excited though. I love doing a little challenge. Let's get some water. So number one thing we need is Elmer's glue and the purple one. So, okay. So I'm gonna work this against my hair. Work. And then I'm gonna get one of these tools. I also have like a spoolie. And I'm gonna just drag it up. I'm gonna use a bobby pin thing to dry it. So I'm gonna dry it. I've never done this before. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Let's hope it's working. By the way, my hair is like a mess because I'm gonna wear a pink wig. So I like quickly braided it just so it's out of my face and ready to be secured in my wig. I'm gonna add another coat. Oh my god, my eyebrows look crazy right now. Shake it like a song, shake it like a song. I'm gonna add another coat. I'm kind of using my fingers to like push it up against my skin. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna do one eyebrow at a time just in case I do it wrong. I can just wipe it off and start again. I'm actually gonna get a makeup wipe and wipe away all of the excess glue around because we don't want like a gluey canvas. So I'm just gonna wipe away. Work. Now I'm gonna get some translucent powder and set the brow. So let's see. Alright. I think I'm gonna just wipe away the excess powder. Alright, now I think we are ready for a foundation layer. So I saw a lot of makeup artists using a foundation stick for their foundation layer. So I'm gonna... Oh my god. What the hell? That means whatever I did just worked. Applause. Okay, not too shabby for the first damn time. I know for a fact that you don't have to get complete camouflage with the first layer because we're gonna go in and do a bunch of different things, but this is a great start. I mean, little tap on my back. Alrighty. So I'm gonna work it again. See, now I could give you tips because I think I know what I'm doing. So work it against the hairs and then pick up one of these. Hopefully yours isn't broken and start to just scrape them brush hairs up. Brow hairs. Fan it. Woo! Oh my god, this is exciting. Okay. Layer number 2. I think I did 3 layers, but I have like no hair. Like literally my eyebrow hair is little to none, so I would recommend 4 to 5. Oh my god. Oh, before we do that, we gotta clean up, guys. Check to see if it's dry completely and then you put on the powder. Alright. And then grab your stick and just add it to the hair. Wow, this is extraordinary. Yo, I need to take a picture of myself just like this and send it to a bunch of my like real people on my contact list and just have this as my photo ID. Now we're gonna move to the actual making of the brow. I'm gonna pick up Laura Mercier 0.5 Secret Concealer and I'm gonna put this all over my brow. Now I saw in one of the tutorials by a professional that they shaped with cream first, so. Oh god. This is looking bomb. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna set it again. That's a nice brow. I ain't even gonna lie. This one needs help, but that's That's a nice brow. Now picking up my Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Dark Brown Brow Powder. I'm gonna go in with the light shade first. Okay. Oh my god. Before, after, yo. This is pretty good. I'm going into the Amrezy palette and going into Yugo. If you're using a brow product that is not dark enough, you could always go to a eyeshadow. I guarantee you, because this is how it is for literally every video. Right now, I think I'm pretty good. And then in like maybe 6 months from now, I'm gonna look back and be like, trash. Because this is my first attempt and it just gets better every single time. So I'm happy to be documenting. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, I got both of my brows on now. I am going to go into my lightest concealer, which is definitely my 0.5. And I'm gonna carve my brows out like how I would on a regular basis. Brows are concealed. Oh my god, okay. I need to do a better job on the brows next time. I gotta lay them down better. So I'm gonna pack on some translucent powder. Now I'm gonna put Tarte Shape Tape all over my lid. And we can finally start the makeup look. The brows took an enormous amount of time. So we're gonna prime using some concealer. I wanna start plotting where I want my crease and all of that just so it doesn't get lost in the funk. So I'm gonna use Shesma from the Amrezy palette and I'm just going to map out everything. I'm gonna use Comfort Zone from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm just going to... Now I'm going to go into Lolly Mama, which is this shade right here. Kind of just tapping it in. Something's missing. I'm going to get a little bit of 1988 just because I want to deepen this up a bit. So I'm going to line this line and then slowly blend it out. Now I'm going to cut the crease using 0.5. Let's see if we could bring it back to life. Okay, now I'm going to go into Wasted and put it all over my lid. Now I kind of want to do like a smoked out liner type of thing. So I'm going to pick up Yugo and I'm going to map out where I want my line. And I'm going to bring this all over. I'm going to start blending. Now I'm going to use some Inglot gel liner to align that line. I'm really not feeling that swoosh. So we're gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna take my Stila Magnificent Metal in Kitten Karma and I'm gonna apply this as the outline of the crease. And I'm gonna bring it a little bit lower because it's way too high. That looks better. Okay, let's clean it up. Now I'm gonna add some mascara even though I can't even see where my eyelashes even are. The only thing I love about this are my brows. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna use Deja Vu by Glamour by K lashes. Hopefully I could save this look with the face makeup because it's really questionable right now. I remember as a little kid, I always drew just eyebrows alone by itself. So those skills kind of came back for this look. This isn't enough flash. I need another one. I'm gonna grab my Scarlet No. 8 Huda Beauty lashes. I'm gonna add this on the end of the eye just to make more drama. Okay, this is much better. You guys want to hear something funny? I literally walked downstairs with just makeup on top of my brows. Like nothing was drawn on, I just covered my brows. And my mom goes, wow, I love it. I didn't even start. That's the type of support you need in your life. Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right, the most exciting part, the face. Smashbox primerizer. Go ahead and prime the face. I'm gonna dot my foundation all over. To make it super bright under my eyes, I'm going to use 0.5 again. And I'm going to top it off with some Tarte Shape Tape just on the center right here. Ooh, and I need to do extreme contour. Oh, hell yeah. Now I'm going to bake under the eye. Now I'm going to do extreme contour. I want to make it super straight. So why don't we... like that. Now I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. Instead of baking, I'm actually gonna get the concealer and just draw a line like that and clean it up that way. Woo! It worked. It worked. Holy shit, you guys, it worked. How are we looking? Blush time. I'm gonna go extreme on the blush. Bring it up here. Now I'm gonna highlight with the Jaclyn Hill highlighter. Holy shit. Holy shit. Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like she's trying to make you fall off. We have to highlight our cheek too. So I noticed my camera died, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I did. I picked up the James Charles palette and I went into the white shade right here. I added it right here in the inner corner, so we get a nice bright effect. And then I picked up the black. I started off from the outer corner and I kind of swooped underneath and I stopped right in the middle. And then I picked up this hot pink shade right here and I just blended out that black and gave a little pop of pink. And then I added mascara and that's pretty much it. You guys, this look was definitely questionable in the beginning, but now it's kind of coming together and I'm starting to like it. Okay, now for lips, last but not least, I'm gonna go into KKW Beauty in number 3, I believe. Yes, lip liner 3. And I am going to make my lips dramatic AF. I think I wanna overline a bit. And then with my lip pencil, I'm gonna blend it out a bit. And now I'm gonna go into Clouds in My Coffee. And I'm just gonna add that like so. Go back into the brush and blend it together. Oh, we need a little pop of gloss, just a little. Yeah. Time for the wig. This is my insert name here wig. It's a pink wig. I have a review on it. I'll link it in my bio. On this wig and a different one. Lord Jesus. Okay, I am far from drag makeup and I am far from putting on wigs. So, all right, this is her right here. So I'm just gonna whip it, I think. Oh. Oh, do I want to do like a little side? Yeah, let's do a little side action. Bruh. Oh my god, this is actually cute. It came together so well. How do we look? How do it look? Oh my god, you guys, this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.